I'm heading back home after meeting up with Hammy, and we've had this idea for a while, for a few weeks now. It was initially my idea, and we're going to do a bike swap. And what happened was I really wanted to find somebody to ride my bike and give it like a review or a reaction or whatever. And Hammy came to mind because I know he's a good rider. He used to race sport bikes for a while, and I like his personality. He's a funny guy, and he's got a lot of energy. So yeah, so we're gonna do a bike swap. He's gonna ride my bike, and I'm gonna ride his bike, and we're just gonna talk about it. So we'll see how it goes.
It's okay, I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead.
You alright?
Dude, that sucked.
Alright.
Holy I went under a semi truck.
Keep his helmet on. Keep his helmet on.
He went tumbling. He needs to sit. Don't move. Okay? Don't move.
I'm over the exit 15. Motorcycle boxes. Motorcycle down.
Hello.
Hey,
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
what is up with that crash?
Yeah, man, lucky to be alive.
That is freaking amazing.
It's
That is so scary, dude.
an obvious accident. Man,
That's like surreal. That's like Hollywood movie action right there.
Yeah, man, I've got someone good watching out of me, that's for sure.
Oh my God, when did that happen?
Yesterday, around about 3 o'clock.
Yesterday. Wow.
I was just about to go out and film with a buddy of mine, and we just hopped on the freeway, and I wanted to have a bit of a cool intro, so I decided to speed up pretty quickly. And on that particular section of the freeway, it's really bumpy, and I made the mistake of moving my weight too far to the back, and I bounced off the rev limiter and changed in a second, and I guess that brought the front wheel up a little bit. We just made the front wheel go really light, and just lost control and fucking was heading straight towards the side of the semi, and I dropped it at just the right time and went through just the right gap and hit it at just the right speed and fucking set on my back to safety. And I've got virtually no injury. I've got a bit of road rash on my knee, and that's it. Nothing on my arm, no broken bones, no concussions, nothing. I've walked away as if I just fell off my mountain bike or something like that. It's just,
Yeah, I had to watch it like 3 times. I'm like, did he go underneath that trailer? Like, it's kind of hard to tell. I'm like, dude, he went underneath that truck. That is.
I remember it all too. I remember it all. If I didn't hit the big stands that hold the truck up when they're not on the trailer on the truck, I fucking missed that. My legs went in between the rear tires of the truck and didn't get crushed, and fucking just slid right out. It was the luckiest thing ever, man.
You must have just been going, wow, what just happened?
Yeah, my buddy that was with me, he fucking watched the whole thing. He thought I was dead. He was screaming. We were connected on the centers, and he thought I was dead. And he's screaming in his helmet. And that's the reason why I was saying I was not dead, because I was trying to tell him, like, I'm not dead. It's okay. I'm not dead.
Wow. That is, dude, I had to call you, man. That's just phenomenal.
Yep, so it looks like I'm going to be out of action for a while.
Yeah, man, totally glad you're okay. That is a once-in-a-lifetime occurrence, you know what I mean?
Definitely, man. It's not something you survive twice. When you get back, we'll hang out and get another year.
Once again, man, glad to see you're okay. That is just insane, and we'll be in touch.
No problem, man. Thank you so much for the
Okay.
call. Appreciate it.
You bet. Have a good night.
All
See ya.
right, see you.
Later. There you have it, man. Just, I don't really know what else to say. This is a phenomenal crash. He's lucky to be alive, and you know, you just never know when these bikes are gonna bite you. As you heard, he was just clicking into second and dropped the front wheel and just went into a tank slapper and put him down. I don't know if he's got a steering dampener or what, but yeah, I was supposed to be on that bike yesterday, and that's when it happened. And I'm not saying it would have happened to me, but you know, you never know, right?